Are you in need of a portable workbench that you can take with you on the go? Look no further. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 picks for the best portable workbenches available on the market today. From compact designs that are perfect for small spaces to heavy-duty options, we've got you covered. So, whether you're a D enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just looking for a convenient workspace, be sure to check out our top picks and find the perfect portable workbench for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information and pricing. Let's get started. WORX 051 PEGASUS Folding Work Table. The WORX 051 PEGASUS Folding Work Table is the ultimate solution for day enthusiasts and professionals alike. This versatile work table can hold up to 300 pounds as a work table and supports up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. It's easy to transition between the two, making it perfect for any project. The table features custom clamps that are designed specifically for the PEGASUS, ensuring they are stronger and longer lasting. The lightweight and foldable design make it easy to move and store. What's more, it's possible to link 3 or more PEGASUS tables together to create a whole work counter. The bottom of the table also features a storage shelf to hold a power strip or supplies, providing an extra shelf or storage for your workspace. This durable work table is made from molded ABS with steel supports and fittings, ensuring it lasts for years. It also comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, so you can buy with confidence. KETER 197,283 Folding Workbench. The KETER Folding Workbench is a versatile, sturdy, and portable work table perfect for day projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, painting, and even table saw use. Built from long-lasting resin with heavy-duty aluminum legs, this folding workbench can support up to 1,000 pounds, and its weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. Weighing only 30 oz. It fully unfolds in less than 30 seconds, making it easy to bring your work table anywhere with its built-in carrying handle. It measures 33.46 x 21.65 x 29.75 inches standing and 33.46 x 21.65 x 4.4 inches folded, which makes it convenient to store when not in use. The table includes 2 12-inch clamps to secure a variety of working materials, and it features a unique quick opening system for effortless setup. Overall, the KETER Folding Workbench provides a reliable work support for any project, whether you're sanding 2x4s or staining table legs. KETER JOBMADE Portable Workbench. The KETER JOBMADE Portable Workbench is a versatile and portable solution for both professional and die projects. Made from heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it can handle a weight capacity of up to 1,000 pounds. The table's weather-resistant polypropylene construction makes it durable, preventing rusting, peeling, and denting. The setup is incredibly easy and takes less than 30 seconds. Just remove the legs from their storage space and pop them into the tabletop. At less than 30 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry with its sturdy handle. Plus, it collapses down to just 4.4 inches thick for easy storage. The table includes 4 holding clamps to secure materials and a removable tool organizer that clips onto the table. There's even a built-in storage compartment to keep your tools organized and easily accessible. With its universal metal T-track rails for 2-inch bar clamps, this workbench is perfect for any kind of project, from D to commercial construction work, painting, and more. WORX 066 Portable Work Table. The WORX 066 Portable Work Table is a lightweight and sturdy solution for your workshop or job site needs. Made of rugged molded ABS with steel legs and fittings, it can hold up to 300 pounds and is tough enough for any project. The metal legs are designed to stay secure on any surface, ensuring you have a solid base to work on. When not in use, it easily collapses in a second for easy storage and transport. It comes with 2 link locks and 4 clamp dogs to keep your projects in place, and it's compatible with other WORX tables for a multifunctional work counter. You can rely on the durability and longevity of this portable work table, which is designed with WORX's advanced technology and efficiency standards. Don't let its 13 pounds weight fool you. The WORX 066 Portable Work Table is made of tough stuff and comes with a 30-day manufacturer limited warranty. Black Plus Decker 125 Portable Workbench. Whether you're a professional or a D enthusiast, the Black & Decker 125 WORKMATE Portable Workbench is the perfect tool to help you get the job done right. It is a must-have for any serious craftsman. offering a sturdy and reliable platform for all your projects. With a durable steel frame and wooden vice jaws, it can hold up to 350 pounds of weight, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, while the adjustable swivel pegs can clamp irregular shapes and angles, accommodating a variety of materials. The jaws are designed to resist warping and can be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials, while slip-resistant feet prevent sliding while you work. The bench also comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you added peace of mind. Thanks for watching our video on the best portable workbenches. We hope you found it helpful in your search for the perfect portable workbench for your needs. And as always, please like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.